Welcome to this example. So in this example we are going to test for the population variance using Minitab software. We have seen this example for the noise variance. We had a sample of 30 elements. We have measured the sample variance to be 3.8. We have our hypothesis, we have the null hypothesis, sigma square equal 2.5, and we are worried if the variance of the noise is now larger than 2.5. We have made our hypothesis based on 95% confidence level. Now we are going to use all this information using Minitab software to check our hypothesis. So now we go for Minitab to perform a hypothesis testing on the variance. We go on Stat menu, then the submenu of Basic Statistics. Now we go for sigma square 1 variance, because we are going to check for one variance for one population. We click on this command. Now we don't have the data in a column. If we have the sample in a column, we will choose this option, but we have a summarized data. We have the summarized variance. Okay, so we have the sample size is 30 elements. We have the sample variance as we have chosen here up. We have the sample variance. So let's back for the example. We have the sample variance to be 3.8. So we write 3.8. Now we are going to perform a hypothesis test. So we choose this option. Our hypothesis is based on the variance, not the standard deviation. So we choose hypothesized variance. And our hypothesized variance was 2.5. Before doing the test, we go for options. So the confidence level is 95 is okay. We are going to choose 95% confidence level. But the alternative hypothesis was not two-sided, it was greater than as one-sided test. So we choose OK, and finally we click on OK button. So this is the test that we have got. So now this is the test. Maybe we should OK. The test and the method was the chi-square probability distribution. Now firstly we have the test statistic, which is chi naught square, about 44. We have the degrees of freedom to be 29, because the sample size is 30. And only here we have the p-value. So the p-value is 0.036. From our hypothesis testing, the alpha is 5%, because we have used a confidence level of 95%, so alpha is 5%. We notice that the p-value is less than the alpha value. So anywhere the p-value is less than the alpha value, we will reject the null. So our conclusion will be rejecting the null hypothesis because the p-value is less than the alpha value.